Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick look at my latest purchase I got from Colletts Models down in Exmouth. It's the Bachmann branch line Flying Dustman GBRf BIFFA Red, and its number is 32741SF. It's sound fitted, and the local number is 66783. I got this for £188.70. That's including postage. I can't get many of the sounds to work because I've only got my EZ command. I've checked it out and it does work. See if I can get things to go. Engine start. It's continuous horn. That's two-tone horn. Got brakes. Got the lights to turn on as well. I tried to get this to stop. It takes ages to stop, so the CVs need adjusting, I think. This is the first time it's run. As you can see, the tail lights are on. But the slow speed's very good on it, considering it's just new out the box. You change direction, the lights change. Try it the other way now. Better get it to stop now. It takes ages. That's at very slow speed. At least the sounds and all that work and the lights work and it runs alright. Doesn't seem to be any problems with that at all. You can probably hear my dog in the background. He wants to play as normal. Eh? I've noticed that the loco doesn't have the nameplates. A lot of models, they have the nameplates printed on. Then you have a set of etched plates that you can fit, but this doesn't have it painted on. So if you want the name on, you have to fit the etched plates that you get. I'll just get it to stop now, the sound. You can hear the dog, he wants to have a go at playing with it. There he is there, look. Yeah, I know. I've got all this carpet on the floor because he had an operation. He had a slipped disc in his neck. So I had the disc out. So we've had to put all this matting on the floor so he doesn't slip. Oh, back to the loco. Because he won't let me play much longer. Right, I'm going to switch the sound off now. And turn the lights off. That's the light switched off. Not sure if there's a wee man in here at all. It's not focusing very well. I can see there's no wee man in there. They're useless trying to do videos with a phone. It just doesn't focus. There's a man in that one. There's a wee man in that one. It's got sprung buffers. His buffers are sprung. Right, I'm going to end the video here. Please subscribe to my channel. I know these videos aren't very interesting, but I need to test my stuff anyway, so it's just a quick video to show you in case anyone's interested in buying it. I say for £188 for a sound fitted Bachmann isn't bad. It's quite good when the RRP I think is about 220 odd quid. Okay, just a quick shout out for my friend at Jetmec. JETMEC. His layout's called Small Town. SMALLTON. Okay, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Please share, like and comment. Thank you.